What's happening, Wanderers? It's your boy, Wanderlust Wellman, back again for another video. I'm kickstarting a new series called Travel Tips, with yours truly. And in this series, I plan on discussing important travel-related stuff, such as current events, hidden locations, travel tips and hacks, and everything that you can talk about regarding travel. And today I will start the series off by discussing an important topic, which is making money remotely while traveling. Specifically, teaching English online. This is a very viable option for many of you that are interested in doing this, whether you need possibly supplemental income that you can set your own hours and do if you feel that your job doesn't give you PTO and you are worried about going periods of the month without making any money. You could do that too. If you just want to make a little bit of money, if you have PTO while you're traveling, it's great. Or if you want a lifestyle where you don't have a 9-to-5 job, you want to have your complete own schedule weekly, then here you go, guys. Teach English online, specifically with a company called VIP Kid. Now, I'm not sponsored by them. The Wanderlust Wellman channel is not, we're not raking it in like that. Give it some time, though. Give it some time. Appreciate y'all. This is a great company because, as I outlined earlier, you can set your own schedule. The qualifications are pretty limited, except for the fact that you do need a 4-year degree for a VIP Kid, that is. The pay is pretty fair. You make anywhere from about $17 to $22 an hour. Conditions kind of leave some leeway one way or the other. I could talk about this more in higher detail if you're interested. Please comment down below and let me know, because yeah, there's a lot more, fine print to discuss regarding this. And yeah, it's a great way to make some money, get some steady work, if that's something you're into, for working remotely and making money on the go. VIP Kid, guys, check it out. Start making money from your couch, from your desk, from your Airbnb, your hotel, whatever may have you. All you need is a computer or a tablet and some Wi-Fi, and start teaching English, guys. That's all for today's video. Travel tip number 1. Peace.